Okay guys, welcome back to my WordPress tutorial. Today I'll be showing you how to create a gallery images on your website. If you want to create a gallery, so the first thing you need to do is to install Elementor. We're going to edit with Elementor, so it's pretty much simple to install Elementor. You just go to plugin and add new plugin, then that's all. But for now, I'm already installed Elementor, as you can see, element pack and everything. I just want to go to sites and visit site, then edit the element or go to pages, or I already opened this page right here. Okay, now we want edit with Elementor. Here's the page. Then maybe I want to create images here, then drag a widget, just the normal widget. You don't have to add those slides and whatnot. Then go over to your edit section and scroll down. You see its gallery is closed, but this way it's open. Basic gallery, here is it. Then you add it on top, drag and drop. Yeah, then it's added. Then click on this little icon since there's no images, so that we can select images. Then let me just select all of them, this one, but you can also upload images from your computer. Then you select, let me say these images, I want them to be on my gallery, then open. So now they're uploading, so let's just wait for them to finish uploading, then we're ready to insert the gallery, the images into the gallery. Yes, boop, one is done, and then the second one is on this way. Okay, done, boop. Third one, this one is repeated. Can you see here? Okay, the fourth one, pop, done. Then the other one, it's almost there. Okay, waiting for the other ones. It's just because I was just showing you. Waiting for this, the last one. Yes, boop. Now the images are selected. Then create a new gallery. Insert the gallery. And let's wait. Yes, boop. Here's the gallery image, the basic gallery images. Here the images. When you click it, zoom in the image, the gallery zoom. You can also zoom like this. Yes, that's it guys. Then let's click on update. It's updating now. Okay, it's updating, it's updated. Then let's preview again the site. Wait, we're on preview now. Just wait for it to finish loading. Yes, it's updated. Still loading so that you can see our images, our gallery images. Yes, boop, zoom, click. Then it's zoom in the image, and then it's give the image title, whatever you title it, since this one was there. Then you can just slide even over here and starting to zoom those images here. It's a gallery. Then yeah, boop, that's it. Thanks for watching guys. Make sure you like, give a comment and subscribe.